Hello, so this is how I prepare models before painting.
Alright, so first of all, I'm going to drill small holes in the soles of the boots. The smallest drill I can find. And then on a piece of wire, just a drop of crazy glue at the tip. Same thing on the other boot. Pop it in. I'll eventually stick it right there on the base when I'm done. Now I push it in with small pliers so I don't bend the wire, pushing it in. For the body, the arms, the helmet, I primed with Chaos Black and a light zenithal spray of Mechanicus Standard Grey. Same thing with the backpack, just Chaos Black and some Lead Belcher Silver. I sprayed the head with Wraithbone White, just off-white color, cream. Now hopefully I'll start painting in the next video.
Thanks for watching.